We are creating beautiful coasters and stands using resin. First we used the mold, added some see-through resin, some white as well, mix it, and we're adding some dried flowers in the middle. Add any kind you want. Add some leaves as well. Create your design. And add more see-through resin on top of it. Once hardened, you can take it out. And we're painting the sides in gold. We're drilling a hole in the middle, adding a stand in gold, and repeat the process, adding a smaller one at the top. How pretty is this? Next, we're using some purple and a flower-shaped mold. We're mixing it with some blue. These colors are so pretty and pearly. Adding different blues. More purple. And once hardened, take it out of the mold. Again, we created two different sized shapes. Drill a hole in the middle. We're painting the sides in white. And stack them up together. Absolutely gorgeous. Next, we're using a circular mold, adding see-through resin inside of it. We're going to be adding some texture. We're putting some cling film. And once hardened, take it out, leaving it with the resin and the texture. We're then going to be adding some red resin on top of it. Fill it all the way up to the top. And look at the result. Painting the sides in gold. This velvet effect is absolutely gorgeous.